everybody. Now it's time to see the cat. Part 2. As you can see, my mama... Wait, I shouldn't say that because that is family private. So, let's get back to the cat. She is on the flower bed, which is mine. And I'm so embarrassed that I have a flower bed. Can you say bye? Bye, everybody. I told you she can really talk. I'm sad that we couldn't finish that play date. And I'm angry at you. So, I guess this is over for our whole lives until I make a new one with my cat. So, bye-bye. Say bye-bye again. Bye-bye. I'm going to miss you. I'm going to miss you. I'm going to miss you so much. Mwah. She is a weird cat. So, bye-bye, really. Bye.